Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a self-checkout payment terminal works, step by step, in a simple and easy way. First, the customer starts the session by tapping the touchscreen. Then, the terminal shows options such as language selection, membership, or loyalty card details, so the system can prepare the checkout process. After that, the customer scans each item using the barcode scanner. The scanner reads the product barcode, identifies the item, and automatically adds it to the shopping basket on the screen. Next, if the customer is buying fruits, vegetables, or other loose items, the product is selected on the screen and placed on the weighing scale. Then, the machine calculates the price based on the item's weight. Once the item is scanned or weighed, the customer places it in the bagging area. At this point, the bagging scale checks the weight of the item to confirm that the correct product has been placed there. Then, the customer reviews the basket on the touchscreen. Here, the screen shows product names, quantities, prices, discounts, and the final total amount, so the customer can check everything before paying. After reviewing the basket, the customer chooses a payment method. The terminal may allow card payment, mobile wallet payment, or cash payment, depending on the store system. Next, the customer completes the payment using the card reader or mobile phone. The payment terminal reads the card or phone, securely sends the payment information for authorization, and may ask for a PIN or confirmation. Finally, after the payment is approved, the system prints a receipt or sends a digital receipt. Then, the customer collects the shopping bags and leaves the checkout area. Behind the scenes, the self-checkout system reads barcodes, checks product weight, calculates the total bill, applies prices and discounts, and processes the payment securely. In this way, the self-checkout payment terminal helps customers complete shopping quickly and independently. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.